What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to use Zoho Desk for your customer support. Zoho Desk is a cloud-based help desk or online-based help desk that helps you on your business to create like tickets for your customers and follow your customers or your agents for their support. And like as I told you, it's like a customer support. So as I told you, it's a customer support portal and a contract management and it gives you detailed reports for your like customer support. And so here what you have to do is go to the Zoho Desk site. So here what you have to do is to go to the Zoho Desk site. That's zoho.com/desk, or probably the best way or easiest way to go there is to search for Zoho Desk, and then go to the first result here that says Zoho Desk, and you will land on this website. Here you can find like an overview on the homepage, an overview of the platform and its features and services, just to decide if this platform is right for you and your goals for your business. And here you can go ahead and sign in if you already have an account, or click here to sign up for free. You can sign up with email, or you can sign up with Google or LinkedIn. So I'll go ahead and create a new account. I'll enter my name and email and phone number, company name. These are the details that you have to enter, and I will sign up for my account. Okay, so once I entered my name and my email and my info, here I'm asked like a few questions. I can set them up later. That's like a quick settings or quick setup. Here you can enter like your logo. You can upload your company logo, so you can click here to upload a picture as your logo. And here you have like your email support, so your the support. So if you wanna contact the customer support, you can contact them via this email. So click next. Okay, you can invite like agents, so you can invite them by name and email. Okay, so I'll just skip that one. You can click on invite here to invite them. However, I don't want to invite like anyone, so let's click on I'll set up later. And here it'll open like your main dashboard or your main homepage for the Zoho Desk. So here you have many options. I'll go through them. So here you have HQ, where you can view like detailed analytics, and so like the responses, incoming responses or outgoing responses here by time. They are divided by time, and here the live traffic hourly, and you can view like the customer happiness rating and the most threaded tickets, offline agents, and so online agents, and so on. So like detailed reports and analytics for your desk here. And if you go to team feeds, you can view the feed here, and feeds open tickets and team feed post, and you can post here, like write whatever you want and then share the post here. Okay. And here there are no feeds available as of now. Now for views here, you can view your tickets, and there is like a ticket here, a sample ticket that is sent by Zoho Desk themselves. I'll go to it later. And here the agent queue, and here you have your like your tickets, your due tickets. So you can view here the tickets due in 6 hours, the overdue tickets due in 1 hour, no due date, and so on. So you can view here your tickets by due date or tickets that are on hold. And you can also change the countdown mode. So countdown mode, status mode, here you can view the status. Here it's open, on hold, escalated. So instead of like countdown, so instead of like due in 1 hour or due tomorrow or due in 6 hours, you can view by status. You can view by handshake mode. Here you can view the details, and you can view by priority mode. So you can categorize your tickets by priority. So in the ticket itself, you can view the status, you can edit the status, so on hold, escalated, closed, and so on. Okay. If I click on the ticket, I'll open it. However, I'll show you the opening tickets soon enough. Okay, now the team queue here, you can view your teams or your teammates, and you can add a new team here. Okay, and the tags here, you can view and categorize like your tickets. Now, let's go to the views here and open the ticket, and I'll show you how it looks like. So here is your first ticket. If you open it, you can view and sort them by like all tickets and start and all views and so on. And you can view here, it's from Lawrence Zoho, from Zoho, and that's the email and the phone number and the website. And you can view the ticket properties, like the owner is me, the status is opened now, and the due date, and view the tags and ticket info and skills and so on. And here is the message that Lawrence from Zoho sent me here. Okay, I can read it and I can reply. Here I have the option to reply all, I have the option to reply and forward it, and here I have the option to comment and view here more actions, so edit, follow, mark it unread, spam and so on. So I can go ahead and reply to this ticket, and here I can enter like thank you for contacting me, and I can rate the customer service here, so good or bad. Okay, and it's here I can see that it's a reply from me to Lawrence and the recipients here, and I can click on send. So, and that's how you reply to a ticket. I can view here and add resolution, time entry, and I can also add attachments to this like thread or conversation, so attach from cloud or browse files from my computer to upload them. And here in the tab above I have tickets, I have the knowledge base here, so if I click on it I can view here the articles, and I go to customers. I can view all my contacts or all my customers that I contacted, and here in this case it's Lawrence from Zoho, which to which I replied. I can view the analytics here, so that's my main analytics dashboard here, and the number of tickets on hold, overdue, due, and so on. And here the like I can get advanced analytics here on my tickets, and I get reports. I can go and get advanced analytics and radar and so on. And here in the activities tab, there is no activity available here. Community, social, and here chat. So if I click on like chat here, I can enable the live chat for my company here. So if I want to, I can go ahead and do it from there. And here I have like my name or my company name here. And here I have the plus icon. I can add a ticket or take a quick action, like a ticket action, article, account, contact, report, and so on. And here I have my setup or my settings and my information. So if I click here on my information, I can view the info of my account, so like my email, my name, and I can change it, and I can change my availability, I can change my preferences, I can see the portals and what's new and so on. So let's close it here. And from here I can go to all the Zoho apps. So here I'm on the desk, Zoho desk. I can view all the Zoho apps from here. If I click on it, like the desk, assist, voice, and so on. So that was a quick overview of Zoho Desk and how to use it for your customer as a portal for customer support that is online.